Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we're going to do a real quick short how-to video on how to make a ritual salt bowl for both protection and blessings. And Rachel has made an awesome DIY that has gone up in the Transformational Healing Facebook group today that has the full recipe and other suggestions for different ways that you could go about this. So definitely after this video, jump on over to the Transformational Healing Tribe Facebook group and check that out. And if you're not a member, we have all kinds of DIYs and cool things and information for you that we post every week. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have all of the ingredients gathered. We have the coarse ritual sea salt, which is beautiful, a little bit sunny in here. And for protection purposes, what I chose is that we're going to use juniper berries, rosemary, which is great for cleansing and purification, and you just mix them in. Very quick, very sweet. Sage is also for clearing and protection. I'm using white sage today, but you can use any type of sage, including even cooking sage if you wanted to, or even mugwort if that is your preference for cleansing and clearing. So we just want to break up some of the pieces, and the most important part is your intention. I like to use the Eastern white cedar because it grows near here, and I'm a little more familiar with it. I do use the Western red on occasion. Got cedar everywhere. Actually, I think that's enough for the cedar. And then to bring in blessings, I think that roses and lavender, and that's what's in here, rose petals and lavender are great to bring blessings in. So we're going to mix this up with intention of protecting the house, absorbing negativity, and if you wanted to, you could light a candle to bless it yourself, but it's not necessary. You just need to fill it with your energy and your intention. Now we're going to add in the blessings to put back out into the house, and you can put in all kinds of different essential oils if you wanted and things like that. But basically, that is how you very quickly make a salt bowl, and then you're going to place this bowl somewhere in your house so that it can absorb the negative energy in your house and also send out blessings. It's very quick, very simple, and just a short video for you guys today. I hope that you really enjoyed it. So this week our theme has been all about spiritual cleansing, and you could even turn this beautiful salt that we just made into a bath for yourself. I have a lot more coming up about our ritual baths and ritual bath class that we will be having for cleansing and clearing bath. That will be coming out on Thursday of this week. You should definitely check it out. For a very short period of time, that bath will be on a large discount. So you could make salts just like this, adding a little essential oil, and turn them into a ritual bath for yourself. But they are beautiful to leave around the house, and when it doesn't feel fresh anymore is when it's time to just get rid of it and then make a new one. Make sure that you do not leave offerings like this with salt in them outside. It will kill the plants, so you want to make sure that you dispose of these in the garbage, or if you had used it for a bath, obviously the salt will have been gone. It will have evaporated into the water. But make sure that you jump over to the Transformational Healing Tribe Facebook group to check out the recipe that Rachel has left for you in our awesome Tuesday DIY. Many blessings, tribe, and we'll see you real soon.